All right, we're going to do box and whisker plots. And I think you're going to like it. Okay? All right, we're going to, box and whisker plots provide a quick way to analyze and distribute, the distribution of data. Consider the following set of grades of a student. And so we have these, we have an 86%, we have a 70% and a 96% and a 100%. And of course I can't put them all in one line, so I have to just go over here. Actually, I can. Let's do this. Make it littler. They need to kind of be in there because we'll do something with them in a minute. It'll help us if they're all in 94, another 94, and an 81. Okay, all right. I ended up doing it. Okay, so what we're going to do is it'll help us to see, one more time, say it again. Did I do something wrong?
Is it an 81? Oh, it is an 81.
Okay,
I thought it was
good.
an 84.
I might have said 84. I apologize. Okay. And so we're going to, and you know how we did the standard deviation? It was that long square root of this and square root of that and add this and all that stuff. And that kind of told us how spread out our data is. Well, this is going to also tell us how spread out our data is, but in a lot nicer way.
Oh,
okay?
Praise the Lord.
So we're going to first find the median. And if you remember to find the median, we had to put them in order.
Right.
Okay, smallest to largest. So which one's the smallest?
86.
Be careful. One more.
What? Oh, 70.
Yeah, 70. Yeah, I even didn't have it right. Okay, 70.
81.
81.
86.
86.
94, 94. 96. 100.
Okay. All right, so now we need to find the center of this, and it's going to be easier. We just start at the ends, right? And we come in, and here is our median.
94.
Okay, 94. Let me take those all off. Okay, now we have to find the median of what's left over. Okay?
Okay.
And so we have this set in here, these three. And so of these three, where's the middle of that?
96.
96. 96. And of these three over here, what's our middle?
81.
Okay. So we got some vocabulary here, all right? This one is called the median because it's the middle.
Okay.
Okay. These are called let me make sure I'm not saying this wrong, the quartiles. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to just write one of them. They're both the same thing. All right, if you had the middle of something, we call that in half. What if we cut it in half again? What do we call those parts?
A quarter?
Yes, a quarter. And so we have our quarter, and we have these in quartiles, okay?
Oh,
so this is like the quarters, all right? All right, so we have all these things. I'm going to take those words out so that we can have room to do our box and whisker plot, okay?
Okay.
And so it's going to really be best if you will do this on graph paper.
Okay.
Because you will have, actually I should put some, if I get graph paper, I'm going to put some graph paper back here.
Wait a minute, where is it?
There we go. Let's put some graph paper on there. No, let's don't do that. Let me go back and do that. I can't. Let's put blue back. Okay. I'm not going to do graph paper because we have that white. We're going to draw here. Your graph paper is going to be nice because it's going to be in really nice intervals, okay?
Okay.
All right. So what we do is here's our box and whisker plot. We have our extremes. These are our beginnings. We're going to put 70 down here, and we're going to put 100 right here. Okay?
Okay.
All right. And then from there, we're going to have even intervals. All right? So I'm going to go, since we're going 70, if I do 70, if I halfway between, if I go 75, 80, 85, no, I can't do that even. I'll have to do bigger. 70, what do they have? 80 about right there. Okay, that's a go. 80 and 90. And then they have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 72, 4, 6, 8, and then 10, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 2, 4. All right, so we want them to be even. That's why the graph paper is going to be nice because they already have the lines for you, okay? And so you might start at 70 and then work your way to 100. Now we're going to put I need to circle that because that's my quartile. We need to get this on there. That's our median at 94. This is at 90, 92, 94. It's right here. And I'm going to actually draw a line for it, okay? right? And then we're going to go 96, so that's going to be 96 right here. And 81 clear down in the middle, right down in there. All right, you with me so far?
Right.
Now we're going to draw our box.
Okay.
The box goes like here, and our whiskers come out to the ends. Okay.
Oh, that's it?
Not it. That's it. What this tells us is it tells us, look at how we have a lot of space at this end and as opposed to that end. See how it's bigger? Okay. This tells us how distributed our data is. It gives us a picture. It tells us that it's scooted a little bit more towards the end, towards the high end, and it tells us our median. Look at our median's way scooted down towards the 100. Just by looking at these numbers by themselves, it would be difficult for us to see where our data is. And this is almost like a slider that slides along a string. Okay, and this is telling you that it's slid more towards the high end of your numbers as opposed to the low end. And it also tells you that how your quartiles, how wide it was on your data. Also, this is kind of wide. It goes clear out, but your median is way up here at the top.
Right.
Okay? This is just a picture that tells us how your data is spread around.
Okay, it's not that hard.
Not that hard. Let's do another one. All right, here's our data. What do we have to do first? Do you remember?
Find the median. So we're
Okay.
going to go 92, 92, 92. Oh, no, we're not.
Yeah.
We're going to go 84, 85, 92, 92, 92.
All right. We got them all in order.
So now we're
Where's the
gonna
middle?
Okay, so there. Oh.
Well, not too bad, though, because isn't it 92 and 92?
Uh-huh.
So that's perfect. So it's in the middle, so it's 92.
Okay.
Okay, and so I got to make sure I do this right. It's halfway in between the 92, so we take these four now and find the middle of that. And we take these four and find the middle of that. So the middle between the 95 and the 97 is halfway between. There's a couple ways.
96.
That's right. If you didn't know the number that was between there, what if it was like, 200 and 2,244? You wouldn't maybe know.
Add them and divide by 2.
Very good. So you'd add them and divide by 2, but in this case we know that it's 96, okay? And over here, between 85 and 92, we're going to have to do the 85
So that's going to
plus 92 and then divide that by 2.
So that's going to be 175.
177.
Right, that's what I meant to
Okay.
say. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Had that
Divided by
pictured in
2.
my mind.
And then we'd use a calculator and figure out that it was 85 and a half. 88, I'm sorry, 0.5.
Did you just do that in your head?
I looked over there.
Oh, I was like...
No, I did not do that in my head. All right, so then we have our 2 quartiles, we have our median, and we have the ends.
So draw your box.
So draw our box.
Like we did here.
Yes. So we're going to go, yes, we might do, that was actually what they're doing here, is they're going to go from 80 to 100. And we'll have 90 in the middle, right? Okay. And so, let me fix that a little better. Okay. So, the middle is 92. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. This is why you need graph paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, still not very even, but what's better? So 92 is our middle,
So
which is
go
right there, yes.
And then
96
right there.
there. And then 88.
8.5 is going to be right there.
Yes. And now here's our box. And then
It's like almost dead center.
yes. And our whiskers, in this case, don't go clear to 100. They go to 99. And they go to 84, which is right there. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And that helps us. That's actually looks like it's quite distributed.
Yeah,
in the
it
center.
does.
Yeah. Just helps us, and that median's in between the quartiles too. So it's telling us, it's giving us a visual picture of the distribution of the data.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Very straightforward. I think you're going to do easy.
Yeah.
Do this well.
It's not that
Okay.
bad.
All right.
Thank you.
We're done.